Water is the foundation of everything in New Orleans, Louisiana: the land, the people, the economy, the culture. At Tulane University's School of Science and Engineering, the River Coastal Science and Engineering Department takes a bold approach, merging civil, environmental, and coastal engineering with geosciences and ecology to tackle the complex challenges of river basins, deltas, and coasts. Here in a region defined by water, students don't just learn about change, they learn how communities can adapt and thrive. Students head into the field, into marshes, deltas, and coastlines for hands-on learning, and do lab research to model landscapes and engineer solutions to complex challenges. With AI-powered research and cutting-edge science and engineering tools, you'll build smart solutions for flooding, land loss, and other natural extreme events. Ready to shape change? Start here.